Hello, everyone. Welcome to our calm English time together. Imagine this. You start a new job or you go to the office every day. Someone comes near your desk. They smile and say, "Good morning." You want to answer nicely. You want to talk a little, but the English words feel stuck. You say only, "Hi," and then silence. You feel small inside. You think, why can't I say more? Many beginners feel this at work almost every day. But listen carefully. Workplace English is not hard. The phrases are very short, very polite, very common. When you know them, you feel more relaxed. You smile more. People at work like you more. The day becomes easier and happier. Today, Paul and I will teach easy workplace conversations in English for beginners. We go very slow. We repeat a lot. We practice together. No stress, no worry at all. Just relax, breathe deeply, listen with us. Okay? Let's begin.
Hi, Emily. Hi, friends listening at home.
Hi, Paul. How are you feeling today?
I'm good, thank you. A little tired from yesterday, but happy now. How about you?
I'm happy too. I had nice chai this morning. It gave me energy.
Chai is the best, especially in the morning.
Yes. Okay, our topic today is easy workplace conversations. Let's start from the beginning of the day.
Good idea.
When you arrive at work, the first thing is greeting. Most people say, "Good morning," or "Good morning, everyone."
Sometimes, good morning, team, or good morning, sir, madam, if it is the boss.
Yes, and always with a smile. Smile makes it warmer. Listeners, say it with me slowly. Good morning. Good morning. Now try good morning, team. Good morning, team. Say it again. Good morning, team. If you want, say it 3 times. Nice and easy.
What do you say when someone says good morning to you?
You can say good morning or good morning, how are you?
Good morning, how are you is very friendly.
Let me show. Paul, good morning.
Good morning, Emily. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. Ready for work?
Yes, let's do it. See? Small words, big difference. Listeners, repeat after me. Good morning, how are you? Pause for a second. Say it again. Good morning, how are you? Now answer yourself. I'm good, thank you. Good job. After greeting, sometimes people ask, "How was your weekend?" or "What did you do yesterday?" This is small talk, very common at work.
Answers are simple. It was nice. I rested. I watched TV. I visited family. I went to the market.
Or, "I stayed home." Let's practice. Emily, how was your weekend? It was good. I met my friends. We ate food together. And you?
I stayed home. I cleaned the house, relaxed.
Nice. Sounds good. Listeners, think about your last weekend. Say quietly, "It was nice. Then louder, "It was nice. I rested." Or, "It was nice. I watched a movie." Repeat 2 times. Now, when you start your tasks, colleagues sometimes ask, "What are you working on today?" or "What's your plan for today?"
Easy answers. I'm working on the report. I have a meeting at 10. I'm checking emails first. I need to finish the file.
Or, "I'm preparing a presentation." Let's role play. Paul, what are you working on today?
I'm preparing a presentation. What about you?
I'm answering emails and making calls.
Good luck.
Thank you. You too. Listeners, say, I'm working on the report, or I'm working on emails. Say it slowly. Once, twice. Good. Very important at work. Offering help. You can say, do you need any help? Or can I help you with something?
If you need help, say, yes, please. Or, yes, thank you. Can you check this?
If no help needed, no thank you, I'm okay. Or thank you, but I'm fine.
Always polite.
Let's practice. Paul, do you need any help?
Yes, please. Can you look at this paper?
Sure, let me see.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Now switch. Emily, do you need help? No thank you, I'm okay.
Okay, just tell me if you need anything.
Thank you. Listeners, say both. Do you need any help? Yes, please. Do you need any help? No, thank you. Repeat. Now, during the day, if you don't understand, very common, say, sorry, can you repeat that, please? Or, can you say it slowly, please? Or, can you explain again?
People are happy to repeat, no problem.
Example, Paul, the meeting is at 2:30.
Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
The meeting is at 2:30.
Thank you.
Good. Listeners, repeat, sorry, can you repeat that, please? Pause. Say it again. Now try, can you say it slowly, please? Good. When you want to ask something, start with, excuse me, or sorry to interrupt. Then ask, excuse me, where is the printer? Excuse me, do you have a pen?
Or, excuse me, can I ask you something?
Yes. Practice, excuse me, where is the meeting room?
It's on the second floor. Turn left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Listeners, say, excuse me, can I ask you something? Good. Lunchtime at work. Very important. Someone says, do you want to have lunch together? Or let's go for lunch.
Answers, yes, let's go. Sure, where do you want to eat? Today I brought food from home.
Or I have a meeting at lunchtime. Let's role play. Paul, do you want to have lunch together?
Yes, let's go. What do you want?
Maybe biryani or sandwich.
Biryani sounds good. I'll take the same.
Nice. Listeners, say, let's go for lunch, or do you want to have lunch together? Repeat. After lunch, people say, see you later, or back to work.
Or, have a good afternoon.
Answer, you too. See you later. Practice. See you later. Have a good afternoon. Say with me. See you later. Have a good afternoon. Again. End of day. Common goodbye. I'm leaving now. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening.
Or, take care.
Answer, you too. Bye.
Bye.
Role play. I'm leaving now.
See you tomorrow. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Simple and kind. Listeners, say, see you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Good. One more thing. When you make a small mistake at work, say, sorry about that, or my mistake.
Or, oops, sorry.
People understand. It's okay. Practice, sorry about that, my mistake. Say it. Now, a very long role play, full day at work.
Good morning, Emily.
Good morning, Paul. How are you?
Good, thank you. Busy day?
Yes, a little. I have reports and calls.
Reports. Good luck.
Thank you. What about you?
Meetings and emails.
I see. Do you need any help with anything?
No, thank you. I'm okay.
Okay. See you at lunch?
Yes, let's eat together. Later at lunch.
Let's go.
Sure, what do you want?
Maybe chicken rice, maybe.
Sounds good. I'll take the same.
After lunch, back to work. See you later.
See you later. Have a good afternoon.
You too.
Later in afternoon. Emily, can you check this file?
Sure, let me see.
Thank you.
You're welcome. End of day. I'm leaving now.
See you tomorrow. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Wow, full day with simple English. All phrases are short, all polite. Listeners, pause the video. Try one part. Say good morning or see you tomorrow. Or imagine your office and say 3 sentences. No hurry, take your time. Okay,